Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today I'm colouring a beautiful image out of this beautiful book by Sakuems. Let's pop in and have a look at the speed colouring and flip through. Welcome! Today's book that we're going to be flipping through is by Sakuems. It's called Natural Enchantment. It's an absolutely beautiful book, really stunning, loads of beautiful, lovely ladies in it, some nice flowers, a little bit of, I guess, we've got some surrealism and some realism. It's absolutely beautiful, I love it. I really enjoyed colouring up the image that I do at the end as a speed colouring, so make sure you hang around for that. So this book is available on Etsy. It's available as a PDF version. It's also available as a physical version. I will pop all of those links in the description below for you so you can check those out. I just wanted to let you know there's also an image in the book I did have to blur slightly. It's not quite YouTube friendly, but nonetheless the book is absolutely gorgeous. So for the speed colouring at the end, I did use Holbein pencils and also some PanPastels for the background. I really loved colouring up this image. It was absolutely beautiful to do. It was like creating my own special little place. If you're interested in seeing the full real-time video, it is available to patrons on Patreon. So the link is in the description below, and also there'll be a little tab in the top right-hand corner of this video with a link to my Patreon page. It's time to sit back and watch the rest of the speed colouring. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group as well. It'd be great to see you there. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and click on the little bell to get notifications when I upload new videos. That's all from me, guys. I will see you in the next video.